What is up, everybody? The Master Trader himself here from Trading Billions Academy. I'm so super excited. Today I'm going to show you a very powerful video that will make you money. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel, hit that icon bell so that you can be notified each and every time I drop a new video like this one. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can double that small account, how you can triple that small account as low as $1. So what we are trying to build in this series of videos is actually building up a capital. There are a lot of people that keep on inboxing me, how can I triple my small account, how can I make my capital? I need to make my capital, I need to make my capital. And if you have not yet started up with this block up Deriv, ensure that you use the link in the description below and sign up with this wonderful blocker. So that's the thing. And also ensure that you are part of our Telegram group. Ensure that you join our Telegram group. Wonderful things are happening there. Ensure that you are there. So if at all you have already set up the whole entire Deriv process, you are on this blocker, you can make money. So the only thing that you have to do is to make a deposit, and you can make a deposit as low as $1. Yes, you can make a deposit as low as $1. Surprised? You thought it's 10 USD? No, you can make as low as 1 USD. So the only thing that you have to do again is to watch a video on how you can make your first deposit with Deriv as low as $1. I'll link it in the description below. Watch it. So basically you come on Get Trading, where you get started with trading with a strategy that I'm going to show you today. So we have €1 in this account. It's a euro account. You can use a dollar account, any form of account. So in this specific account is a euro account. So what you're going to do in order for you to maximize from the strategy that I'm going to show you, we're going to use SmartTrader. So we're going to be trading using SmartTrader. So we're going to go on the SmartTrader platform where we're going to make money using this. So you're going to come on here where you see where it's written bear market index, where you're going to come on Deriv, you're going to come on synthetics, and you're going to come on volatility 10 1S index, and you're going to come on touch or no touch. From here you're going to come on touch or no touch, and here you're going to put duration, you're going to put 4 minutes, and here you're putting minutes, not ticks, you're putting minutes. And here basically, before we can change anything here, but we're going to be using plus 4 5. Okay, we're going to be using plus 4 5. There we're going to be using plus 4 5, and we're going to come on charts, down here on charts, and it will show us the charts, but we want candlesticks. We don't want the line chart. We want candlesticks. Okay, let's go on 1 minute. Okay, so we want candles. So from here we can see to say that this market is in an uptrend, right? This market is in an uptrend from this observation. It's trying to break out. It's trying to break out. So if the market is in an uptrend, you actually put it a negative here. If it's in a downtrend, you put a negative. It's in a downtrend, you put a negative. If it's in an uptrend, you put a positive. Are you getting me? For example, this market is in an uptrend. So if the market is in an uptrend, you put a negative. I'm sorry about the mistake. You put a negative here. if it's in a downtrend, you're basically going to put a positive here if it's in a downtrend. So from my observation right now, as it stands right now, the market is in an uptrend. So if the market is in an uptrend, you basically start waiting for it to turn green 3 times before you can enter, before you can place and it does not touch. So 3, you enter. So you count the moment it's 3 times. From here it turns 3 times, like it turns 3 times green, you enter. 1, the standard 1, 2, 3, you enter. So the moment you enter, your account balance is insufficient currently. Okay, sorry about that, I didn't change the stake here. You put 1 USD. I didn't change to 1 USD. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, you only enter when you see 3 times. Not 2, 1, blue, 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 you enter. So you're only entering when you see it's changed 3 times here. That's when you enter. If it does not change 3 times, you don't enter. You only enter when you see it's changed 3 times. The moment it changes 3 times, you enter. So that's the thing. So there we go. We're still waiting. We're still waiting for it. We're still waiting for it. So it's negative as it stands right now. Here it is. You can actually be checking out your profits from here. So we're just waiting for it to do the magic. And so there we go. We have our balance doubled. We are now at 3 USD. We are now at 3 USD. So you can basically be doing that here, scalping throughout. Just ensure that you follow step by step. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel, hit that icon bell so that you can be notified each and every time I drop a new video. Love you so much, and make sure that you profit from it and use low risk management. You can start as low as $1. If you want to get started with Deriv, ensure that you do the right thing. Use the link in the description below. Watch the video now. You can deposit as low as $1 in your account. Love you. Signing out, the master trader himself here.